Student, now we are going to solve that exercise 3a class 8 advanced maths question number 5. If x is to y equal to 2 is to 5, then determine the following ratios. These are the four different ratios, students, depending on the same given question. X is to y equal to 2 is to 5. We need to find out the ratios of 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, the given portion of question number 5 Roman 1 is x is to y equal to 2 is to 5. So can be written x by y equal to 2 by 5, and this equal to k, say one ratio I have taken. So student, therefore this implies we can say that value of x is 2, x by 2, and y by 5. Value of y is 5, x is 2, k say. Now look, what is the value of x here? 2k, and value of y equal to 5k. Now look student, the ratio of the Roman 1 ratio is given 10x plus 3y by 5x plus 2y. Now look, in place of x and y, we'll just put down the value here. 10 into x, x means 2k, plus 3 into y, y means 5k, and 5 into x, x is 2k, and 2y, 2 into 5k. Now look, student, 5 to the, sorry, 10 to the 20k, and 3 5 is the 15k, 5 to the 10k, and 5 to the 10k. Now look after that. Here go for addition. 20 plus 15, 35k, and there is 20k. Now k and k cancel, both are the multiple of 5 sevens and 5 fours, which means 7 by 4. First one over. Now what is the Roman 2? Depending on the same condition, students, will solve the Roman 2. Here I am just writing here this portion. This is common for all the questions, common for all questions. So here Roman 1. Now we'll solve the Roman 2. Roman 2. Now here look, what is the Roman 2 question here? 6x plus 7y by 12x plus 5y. Now look student, we'll just need to put down the value of x and y only. 6 into x, x means 2k, and 7 into y is 5k. There is 12 into 2k and 5 into 5k. Now look after that, 6 to the 12, 12k, plus there is 7 5 the 35k, 12 to the 24k, and 25k. Now look student, after that, here 47k, and there is 49k. If we go for the cancellation, k and k only, so answer is only 47k and 49. This is the answer of Roman 2. Roman 3 now student. 5 Roman 3. What is the given condition of 5 Roman 3 here? It is 3x plus 2y by 9x plus 5y. This is the given question of 5 Roman 3. And the values of x and y obviously will be same, because the same ratio given in the question also. So here 3 into value of x, x is twice k, plus there is 2 into value of y, y is 5k, then 9 into 2k plus 5 into 5k. Now look here student, 3 to the 6k, and 5 to the 10k, 9 to the 18k, and 25k. Now look after that student, 10 plus 16k, and there is 18 and 25 is 43k. Cancellation these two. Answer will be here, that 16 by 43. Now Roman 4. Roman 4, the question is, x square plus 2y square minus xy by, there is 2x square plus 3y square plus 5xy. Now look student, after that, here how to solve it, look here now. Value of x is 2k, so 2k square. Now 2 into value of y is 5k, so 5k square minus xy, x means 2k into 5k, there is 2 into x square, which means 2k square, plus 3 into y square means 5k square, plus 5 into xy, x is twice k and y is 5k. Now look after that, 2 square is 4k square. Now 5 square is 25. 25 into 2, 50. 50k square. 5 to the 10, k into k square. There is 2 square is 4. 4 to the 8, 8k square. There is 5 square 25. 25 into 3, 75. 75k square. And 5 to the 10, 10 5 is the 50. 50k square. Now look student, after that, here 50 minus 10, 40, so there is 4k square, and 50 minus 10, 40 will be 40k square. And now here that 75 plus 50, 75 plus 50 plus 8, so if we add all these, so answer will be here that 75 plus 50 means it is 100 and 125 and 8 which means 133k square. Now there is 44k square and 133k square. Cancel these two. Answer is here, that 44 by 133. This is the answer of Roman 4.